The decision tree is a powerful automation tool that generates return values based on specific conditions. Use it as a card in a workflow to pass results to other steps or trigger actions on its own. Access it via Settings, Document Processing, Decision Trees. Open the Decision Tree menu to view existing trees. Click Add Decision Tree or Import if you have one. Enter a name for your tree. Select the document type it applies to. Click Save. Your new tree will appear in the list. Click it to start configuring conditions. For setting up conditions, choose a source, like a document field. Select the specific field, for example, total amount. Add a condition such as empty. Choose a result, either custom or predefined. You can add multiple conditions per row or create additional rows for separate checks. At the top, select a policy to control how multiple rules are evaluated. You can also export or test your decision tree. When ready, click Save to finalize it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more videos on our YouTube channel.